Hi, it's Phil here. I'm going to show you my Honda 2 litre auto. As you can see, it's an 0707. It's 2 owners plus myself. It's a category N car. It's had the front bumper and a headlight changed. Insurance gone mad, but there you go. As you can see, it's got the fog lights on it. So what we'll do is we'll take you around the outside of the car, then take you in the inside. So taking the line of the car, it's got upgraded alloys, as you can see. It's done 77,000 miles, 2 owners plus myself, just been serviced, just been MOT'd with no advisories. I think it's a fabulous colour, this, to be fair. Taking down the line of the car. So there you have it. So what I'll do now is I'll take you in the inside of the car, so I'll see you in a sec. Hi, it's Phil again. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you inside my Honda. So what we'll do is we'll start with the engine bay first. This is a HD video, so you can really look in depth and have a proper look round, making sure everything is present and correct. So there you go. So there's the engine bay. Take you around to the driver's side now, taking in the door card. So as you can see, it's got electric windows, central locking, got electric door mirrors, multifunction steering wheel. As you can see, it's got the auto, CD, air conditioning and so on. Central armrests and so on. Don't forget, 77,000 miles. 2 owners from new, plus myself. It's got the mats in it, as you can see. Central armrest and headrests all the way around. Taking in the boot. As I said, it's just been serviced, just been MOT'd. No advisories with the MOT. So there you have it. So there you have it. So if you need any further information on the car, please give us a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.